You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from German and how you can say it in English as well. So it's also a name, a surname. German pronunciation, Bücher. Bü, yes, with the U and the umlaut, it's pronounced Ü, okay? It's a sound that doesn't exist in English. Ü. Bücher. Bücher. Now in English it's generally pronounced as either butcher, Bucher, or if you want to mimic the German pronunciation, Bucher, Bucher, from German Bücher. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.